Hello everyone, this is your friend Ram Rawat, the Mustached Marketer, and in this video I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of how to use AI SmartReach and all what are all the features of the software and how you can use this to generate quality traffic and affiliate commissions and sales. So if you see on the left, you have option for the first option is first section is the chat GPT 4 templates. This is basically the template generator where you can generate templates for email, you can generate SMS templates, WhatsApp template, and you can find all the templates list over here. So this is like for demo purpose I have just created a small list, but if you want to generate an email template, you can go here, you can write your own template. First thing is you can write your own message, like a set of emails you can save over here, and so those will be like your email templates. And if you want to generate email template through ChatGPT, you can simply use some of the done for you email prompts, or you can type your own email prompt. So let's say I want to generate a welcome email for my health newsletter. So you can generate that. You simply hit search on ChatGPT and it is going to create that email template for you. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds and it is going to generate that email for you. See, it has generated my welcome email for my health newsletter, and you can see it has written the complete email with all the details. You just have to fill a couple of details like your name, your title, and your newsletter name, etc. And you can write your subject line, or you can ask the ChatGPT to generate the subject line for the same. But along with this, you also have option for done for you email templates. So you can go here and you can pick the email template that you want. So let's say you want to send an email introducing your new product line, then you can simply use this prompt. So this prompt will be automatically get added here, and when you hit search on ChatGPT, it is going to generate an email for you for this particular prompt. So I hope you understood how this thing works. So similarly, let's say I'll simply save this email. First one, like welcome to health blog. Okay, so my email is saved. I'll simply hit submit button and my first email template is ready. And I can go back here and check my email template by going inside the template email list. So you can see this is my email, and my other test emails and other formats of the messages are here, like SMS template and WhatsApp template. So similarly, you can generate SMS template and as well as WhatsApp template. You go back here, you check it out, like how exactly it's being generated. See, you simply pick the done for you prompt, or if you don't want, you can add your own keywords and generate the SMS template. So similarly, you can generate WhatsApp template, and all the templates will be inside the template list. And I hope you won't have to write anything because this tool is amazing, right? So the next option is adding the contacts. So inside this, you can create the groups for phone book. So let's say you want to send messages through SMS or WhatsApp, then you can upload those contacts here, or you can add the contacts one by one directly by going inside the contact. So you simply add the contact, you can import your contact, you can export the contacts, and you can form the group. So let's say you want to send SMSs to two different category of people, like some are related to health blogs, other people are related to, let's say you have a shoe store, then or bakery store. So you can categorize by adding them into a different group. Let's say bakery group or bakery customers. Okay, so you have created a new group for the phone book, and you can find your group by going inside the group option. Let's say bakery customers, so you have added them here. And similarly, then you can add the contacts by going inside the contact option, and you simply say this is my bakery customer, and let's say Rob is my bakery customer, and let's add his number 99, or you can add exact 10-digit number, and then let's say Rob, and I select the customer in the bakery group, and I'll simply hit submit, and the contact will get added inside the group. So you see bakery customer Rob is added. Now if I want to add one more group, one more contact in the same group, then I simply let's say Mary is the next customer, and I've added Mary inside the bakery customer group. So you see all the customers are being added in the groups. And similarly we can add the email addresses. So phone book contacts will be added, used for SMS and WhatsApp services, and email addresses will be used for the email services. Okay, so similarly you can create the groups inside email address option. You can create an email group, let's say people who are interested in make money online niche customers, or like buyers or prospects. So I can add that group here, and then I can add the contacts, and I can simply add the contact. I can import the contact, I can export the contact, so it's up to me. Let's say test email at I don't know, let's say SmartReach.com, and test AISR user. I'll simply say, let's say this, and then I added this particular contact inside this group, and you can see the email is added inside this particular group. And similarly, like I hope you understood how to add the contacts, and once they are added inside the phone book and the email address book, then you can use the service. That is the main feature of the software, that is like sending the bulk SMSs, sending the bulk WhatsApp messages, and sending the bulk email messages. So let's say let's explore one by one. Let's go inside the send SMS option. So let's say you want to send the SMS to the bakery customers. You can select them from directly here. You can upload a list of new numbers, or like new customers directly from here as well. And if you want to send a particular SMS to a particular number, you can simply type that number here and you can send the SMS. Now comes this really important part, like earlier we talked about the templates, but you might not be using the templates all the time. So suppose you want to generate a quick message, you directly go inside the done for you SMS prompts. Let's say write 100-word SMS for urgency so and so. So it's up to you, like if you want to pick this and you hit the search on ChatGPT, so this done for you SMS prompt will generate a message for me, and you see the SMS is generated, and I can replace a couple of things like product name and etc. And I can hit send now by selecting the list of customers. So let's say you are running an offer tomorrow, like 30% off on all the cakes in the bakery. Then you can simply hit send an SMS to all the customers, all the existing customers, and or you can schedule the SMS for a particular date and time, let's say tomorrow, and then I'll simply select the date, and let's say I want to send this SMS around let's say 11 a.m. Then I select the time, and my SMS will be scheduled for 11 a.m. So that's how it works. And once you hit submit, and then the SMS will be scheduled for that particular time. And similarly, let's go to the next option, that is bulk WhatsApp. Similarly, you can generate this message for WhatsApp customers. You pick the customer list from here, and you generate your content from here, or you can type your type your own keyword to generate that message from ChatGPT. And once that is done, you can use that, or you can select the done for you templates. So you go here and you can pick your done for you templates, and so on. And if you want to add an image, audio, video file, since it's a WhatsApp message, so you can add that by directly selecting an option from here. So you say I want to send an image with that particular message, let's say like 30% off on cakes tomorrow, today. So I might, if I have created a banner, I can pick that image, upload that image here, and I can schedule this message for particular date and time. Let's say on 16th I want to send this message at 2:30 p.m. Then I'll simply select the date and time from here, let's say for 2:40 p.m. and then this particular WhatsApp message will be gone to all these customers at 2:40 p.m. and then I'll hit submit and it will be added. Then the next option is sending the bulk email. Similar process. It's a really easy to use software. All I have to do is pick a email address. So suppose I want to send an email to particular email, I'll simply select that email. If I don't want, I want to send this particular email to the complete group, then let's say these were my customers that were like Make Money Online customers. I selected them from here, and then I can generate my own message. I can use the done for email prompts. So let's say I want to compose an email introducing a new product line, or maybe let's say write a sales email inviting potential customers to schedule a personalized product demo. So let's say I'm releasing a new product. I simply select this, and this prompt is added to the ChatGPT box, and I'll hit search on ChatGPT, and it is going to create me a wonderful email that I'm going to send to my customers. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. It usually takes 10 to 30 seconds, so that you can it comes up with the right kind of message. And the only thing that will be required for you to add your name, your title, position, your company name, and the product name that you are about to launch, and few small changes as per your requirements. And you can add a subject line, and simply you can hit send now, or you can schedule it for a later time. So I hope you understood, like, the software is really simple to use, and it has all the features that are required to help you generate quality traffic through SMS, through WhatsApp, or through email. So it's all up to you how you are going to utilize the software for generation of quality traffic and affiliate commissions and sales. So I hope you understood everything. And before you proceed with the using the software, you just have to do a couple of settings, like just a couple of configurations, like SMS API, mail configuration, and SMTP configuration, and WhatsApp settings. So these things are covered in the separate video, like respective videos for each is being added in the training area. If you still have any questions, queries, you can reach out to my support, that is support@ramrawat.net, and I'll be happy to assist you with anything that is required for you to generate quality traffic, leads, and sales. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.